Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day so far. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video, I thought it would be a lot of fun if we sat back, had a little kiki, and did a plus size clothing unboxing from the brand Universal Standard. And I actually have no earthly idea what's gonna be in this box, so y'all are gonna see my first impressions at the same time I see my first impressions, if that even makes sense. And I don't know if y'all remember, but I actually did a mystery unboxing with Universal Standard last year. I think it was like around the same time too, and that was the t-shirt box, and I loved everything in that box. It was amazing. So every year about this time, they always launch their limited edition mystery boxes that cater from a size 00 all the way up to a size 40, which is unfreaking believable. It's unprecedented. I love that, and that's what makes the mystery boxes so freaking popular. So if you are not familiar with Universal Standard, they are an absolutely amazing brand. They are all about inclusivity. They feature real people of all shapes, sizes, genders, colors, and I said it last year, I'm gonna say it again. They are refreshing. I love the realness. It's rare. I am so all about it. So the actual price of the box, in my opinion, is very reasonable. The boxes start at $55, and that is for the tops box. That's the one I got last year, and I loved it. The quality is unbelievable for the price that you're gonna pay. And the boxes are valued at up to $708, which, whoa Nelly, clutch my pearls. That is a fantastic deal, and that's why they sell out so quickly. So I just wanted to let y'all know. But this one that I have this year is going to be the classic style outfitting box, and that one is $98. So there is a difference there. One is going to have an outfit, the other is going to have either tops, bottoms. There's 11 different boxes you can choose from, so there is a plethora of things that you can customize there, but you're limited to 3 boxes because they want everybody to get one. Instead of them selling out so quickly last year, they want to, you know, have the boxes in more hands, which does make sense as a business standpoint. Also, one last thing before we break into this box, because I'm rambling at this point, if you do want to save you some money, use my coupon code. I have my own coupon code, so thank you to Universal Standard for that. It is Uhapi Beauty 10, so you can save you some money. I will have a link down in the description box below. If y'all like this type of content, please make sure to subscribe and like. Your girl would greatly appreciate it. This box goes on sale February 10th, so today, which is not today, but I'm pre-filming so I can have it up for you today. So without further delay, let's get crack-a-lackin' into this year's Universal Standard mystery unboxing. So this is what the Universal Standard mystery box looks like. It is a very sleek black and white box, and it is heavy, y'all. It is a heavy box. It's actually sealed on both sides. So I have my handy dandy razor blade. If you haven't yet seen this, I featured it in a video talking about my worst facial ever, and I talk about this in depth. So I have a little note. It says, say hello to your Universal Standard mystery box. Get ready to unbox some best-selling exclusive styles picked by us just for you. Oh, and clear some closet space. You'll need room for your new favorite pieces. Mysteriously yours, Team US. So I love that. So this is what the inside looks like. It's all nicely sealed. It's got the Universal Standard stickered here. And then let's get opening. Oh, I like what I'm seeing already. So this is what the inside of the contents looks like. It has 3 items in here, and right off the bat, the first one is a black maxi dress, which I am oh so excited about. I love maxi dresses. If you've been watching my channel for a while, I wear them all the time. I love them so much. So let's look at that one first, shall we? So the first thing that I got out of the box, as I mentioned before, is a maxi dress, and it is so freaking cute. I cannot get over it. It is a sleeveless maxi dress. It has a V-neck, which I love V-necks. I actually did the style quiz, so they knew exactly what I liked, and they chose perfectly for me, and I love this. So this is what it looks like. It's actually tiered maxi dress, which I am a huge fan of the tiers. I think it's so cute and flowy, and it adds just a little something to a dress. So this is what it looks like. I picked it up in a size medium. Make sure to check their size charts. As I mentioned before, they go from a 00 to a 40. So their sizing is a little bit different, which makes sense to me. And a size 18 to a 20 is actually a size medium on their website. Whenever you turn it around, this is what the back looks like. And this is a really cute, very flowy dress. And does it have pockets? Oh my goodness, it has pockets, and it feels so freaking nice. It's like silky and really sort of heavy. It says it's made of 62% cupro or supro, 33% viscose, and 5% elastane, so it does have a little bit of stretch to it. And this is the style garment that you can definitely dress up or down. You can wear a belt with it to kind of give it a little bit more shape. You can wear it as is for a little bit more of a casual feel. You can wear all types of different shoes with it, from combat boots to heels to flip-flops, and I love that. I love the fact that it has pockets. That's one of my favorite things when it comes to dresses, is a place to put your hands. And this is definitely going to be a very good transitional piece from winter to spring, which I love. I'm all about the transitions right now. So yeah, let's get on to the next one. So this is what the second item is in the mystery box, and it is a pair of the Universal Standard jeans. And I have been wanting to try their jeans for the longest time because they are so freaking nice. And these are no exception. I am very, very excited. These I think retail for $98 alone. So these pay for the whole box by itself, and they're wide legged, which I'm so excited about because I've been wanting to try wide legs, especially coming into the spring season. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So this is what the leg looks like, y'all. I am so excited about that. These are very, very nice black stretchy jeans. Once again, these are a size medium, which, as I mentioned before, definitely check your size guides when it comes to Universal Standard sizing. But these are very, very nice, very rich black. They have nice functional pockets in the front as well in the back. And they have some very interesting seams that go in here. So I haven't actually seen this before. I'm not really sure if you're going to be able to tell online the details, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seams right here in the back that almost sort of gives it a vintage style look, which is really interesting. I'm very excited to try these. All right, y'all, so ding, 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 I finally found the materials list. So these are made of 78% cotton, 19% polyester, and 3% elastane. So very, very interesting. I'm glad that they're made of somewhat cotton because I love me some good cotton jeans, but they also have a little bit of elastic in there. These are very, very thick around the band, which is going to hold you in very, very nicely. So yeah, this is the second item. I cannot wait to try this on for y'all. I'm actually pretty stoked. So this is what the shirt looks like right out of the package, and I am in love with this shirt. It is super, super cute. It is a navy and white, which if y'all been following me on my channel, I love me some navy. It is a good alternative to black, and it is so flattering on every single skin tone. I love it, with lots of different like brown rich makeup. It's so cute. Now, one thing I'm gonna say really quickly, I just gotta be real with y'all. I've never really been a big fan of cap sleeves on my plus size figure. It's just not something that I've always gravitated towards. I find that it sort of makes my arm look a little meatier, look a little wider. So this is a style that I actually would have steered clear from, but the way that it's cut is a little bit different. So I'll definitely let y'all know in the comment section or in the description box below or in the try on, because I haven't tried it on yet, so I really don't know if it's something that I'm gonna like. But overall, it feels very, very soft. It feels like something that I would definitely get a lot of use of, depending on the sleeve, because that's the make or break in this situation. So besides that, this fabric is extremely soft. It's stretchy. It's definitely not something that's going to cling, which as a plus size woman, you know, I got big boobs, I got a little bit of a belly, I got some hips and thighs and butt, so we don't need no clinginess. But the materials list says it's made of 48% cotton, 48% modal, and 4% elastane. So once again, it is definitely a very, very stretchy, not clingy fabric, which I really do appreciate. So, and it's almost spring, so red lips, navy shirts, that's all you need. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this year's Universal Standard Mystery Box unboxing. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. You know your girl would appreciate it. Make sure that you use the Uhapi Beauty 10 discount code, coupon code. If you're interested in this, it will help save a little bit of money. And thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy. I'm gonna be seeing y'all very, very soon. Bye.